Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Chris's third Section 8 rental property, guys. Chris bought this house for $90,000. It's in an unbelievable part of town. We did a lot to it, and it's one of those houses that when you finish it up, you're just really excited for your client. So guys, I want you to come in here. We'll talk about it a little bit. Overall, we spent about $21,000 here on the construction, brand new roof. We added this room right here. This was not a bedroom. This is a brand new bedroom right here. Looks fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful hardwood floors throughout this whole thing. New door, new wall. Everything is new in regards to that. But super nice. So you have bedroom one. You have a nice living room right here. You have a sitting room off of the living room. So you put a table right here. You have these built-in pew style seating, which is really nice. You have all this old style cabinetry and china pantry and storage, which a lot of times in these houses, what we find is they are in really bad shape. The owner of this house did a really nice job keeping this in top of the line shape. So it's not too often that we find hardwoods that are in this good a shape. And now, of course, we cleaned up the hardwoods, but then you have all the wood in the house was just upkept really nice to where when we get into a home like this, we can make it Section 8 ready quick and it'll fly off the rental market because how nice it is. So you have your little kitchen area right here with your sitting table. You have your living room right here. You walk in and you had your bedroom one right there on the right. You've got bedroom two right here. So bedroom two, again, really nice hardwood floors. Where there isn't new hardwood, there's all LVP. So LVP where there's no hardwood, LVP in the bathroom. Nice bathroom right in between bedrooms 2 and bedrooms 3. So bedroom 2, bedroom 3, you have a really nice built-in right here, which guys, 9 times out of 10, we're removing these built-ins, but it's just nice. So we kept it. Closet here too, good sized rooms. This is, when people talk about rental property, this is probably what comes to mind. Like very clean, very simple, easy, and the things that we did to this house just put it over the top, and it needed a new roof. The roof was in really bad shape, so put a new roof on it, as well as brought it up to Section 8 standards for what Section 8 is going to require. There's a nice shed in the backyard too, and then we go to the rear of the house into bedroom number 4. Now bedroom number 4, a little bit smaller. I think maybe at one time this was probably the kitchen area, and then it was converted, or I say kitchen area, the dining room area, but then it had been converted to a bedroom. There's a really nice closet right here. So you have a little smaller bedroom, perfect for younger kids, and still a good size. So all in all, as we continue to walk through here, you see that the house has a really nice flow to it, and it's not a huge house. It's one of the smaller 4 bedrooms that we'll do. And originally it was a 3-bedroom, and as a 3-bedroom, it'd feel kind of small because your 3rd bedroom is so tight being right there. And now it becomes a 4th bedroom, more of an auxiliary, could be a guest bedroom. Even for Section 8 tenants, guys, you want to make sure you're giving them options. Remember, one of the biggest misconceptions with the Section 8 program is that there's a list of tenants, and when your house is ready, you just choose a tenant and they move in. It's not true. It's a free market. So you see when you walk into a kitchen like this, all these original cabinets and how good of shape they're in, how nice they are, all of them. I mean, everything here. That's why it's so important to buy good units. We have to buy good units, and then if we're not buying good units and doing smaller rehabs, we're buying units that aren't as nice and doing bigger rehabs, because the product that we put out there has to create demand. And if it doesn't create demand, nobody's gonna rent it. It has to be a high-level property because you're competing against other investors. You're competing against a free market of rental property. So making sure that you go in, you do the right stuff, you don't screw up the layouts. When things are nice, you keep them. When things are not nice, you replace them. And at the end of it, you have a project, you have a property, you have a rental unit that rents quick, rents for top of market, and finds somebody good to put in your unit who stays there for a long time. And if you guys want to do this, please follow Chris's lead. Chris has a bunch of these units already in such a short amount of time. Send me an email, it's in the description below, and we'll get you started. See you next time.